It is the morning. I am near Vidyapati Nagar, district Samastipur, Bihar, and there is a an ashram here. This is called Prasant Jivan Darshanam, and the really the ashram is situated there. This is the good location, and I want to show the all people of the world. The ashram is situated Vidyapati Nagar. Really, this ashram is dedicated for the all human being, for common people. There is no any casteism here. All people may come here and visit here, and the message of this ashram is to live, let live. So this is the ashram, the main part. I have to request to the all international community, may kindly visit here, and especially I want to request to international community. They may come here, and visit this ashram. The picture is the Guru Param Pujya Prasant Guru Baba Sri Santanand, and he has given the message to the all world to live, let live. His the doctrine, his principle was to live, let live, and this the ashram is dedicated for all the human beings, and there are some rose trees here, and also this is the back part of this ashram. This is also very beautiful. It is located here. So I want to say really that this conclusion is that this is the ashram. This is the place Vidyapati Nagar. It is the historical place, and the railway station is very near from this ashram. If may international community may come here, I want to say to them, please once any international community, particularly the American, Russian, British, and from the country of also that is called Khari countries, they may come here and visit there. This is such the place. Really, it was felt here. Any person if come here, they spiritually get the satisfaction here, because this place is the peaceful place, and here is there is no sound, and there is no noise unnecessary. So this place is Vidyapati Nagar, and near also the railway station. That railway station's name is Vidyapati Dham, and from this the ashram, a road is also touching here, and this road goes to the east side Dalsing Sara, and the west side to the near railway station, and Mohiuddin Nagar, Shahpur Patori, Hajipur, and also very near towards the east side also there is a new NH that goes to Hajipur and any other place. So this is the morning time, and this the ashram looks very gorgeous, very beautiful. So special request I want to the foreigners and the international community may kindly come here and visit once in the life, because any foreigners, visitors, travelers come India, and they want to really the peaceful place of India. They want to learn something from India. Then this place is really the unique place, and this is Vidyapati Dham. It is situated at Vidyapati in the district of Samastipur. So the place is the historical place, and very near there is also a new ashram, and it was constructed under construction, and maybe also there are some work to develop in future. So this is also written here, Param Pujya Baba Santanand Ki Jai, and this is the slogan here, ज्ञान का विकास हो, शिक्षा का विकास हो, मानवता का विकास हो, जीवन का प्रकाश हो, प्रशांत आश्रम साधना स्थल विद्यापति नगर मिर्जापुर. And this is the slogan, and this slogan is really useful for each and every person's life. This is the message for not for any particularly community, but also this is the message for all the humanity. So this is the Vidyapati Dham, and this is the historical place. I really request to the all international community, if any person, man, woman, if comes in India, then once sure they try to come this office, Sadhana Asthal, Vidyapati Nagar, Mirzapur, district Samastipur, Bihar. And after some days, I also I would like to visit you another, like the ashram belonging to Prashant Guru Baba Santanand, and what is his the real the intention, what is the preach, and what he wanted to say to the all community of the world. So now today I am at present time the Vidyapati Nagar, and my view is only that the all people of the world, also the take care, and the main intention is the foreigner may come here and they learn something from here, because this is the peaceful place. Every person, any person want to get satisfaction peacefully, spiritually, then this place is the sufficient place for everyone. So I requested to the all international community, may kindly come here and visit here. This is the Vidyapati. Thank you for watch my video. I Muhammad Mirajuddin from Vidyapati Nagar, because really I am like a guide. I have got the license from Government of India, and my work is to promote like this peaceful place and any other place. And India, the successful place, and here also it is yoga, and also the spirituality is famous in the world. So I requested to the all, not only the people of India but also international community may come here and visit this ashram Vidyapati Nagar, and they be successful and get satisfaction spiritually here. Thank you to watch this video. Thanks a lot.